Alright guys, so I'm going to be playing Moto World in Roblox. My friend Gabby is going to be playing in the background.
Hi guys, my name's Gabby, and I'm joining my friend Jackson today.
I didn't want a name reveal. I've already unlocked this bike, but my best bike is this one.
Oh, that is nice.
I get a burnout. Do a burnout. Then I do this. I go free. Papa wheelie. Papa wheelie. Whoa. Whoa, bucko. Whoa, bucko.
You just went off.
That's why I said whoa, bucko.
Yeah. This guy who's going really fast.
Boom.
And he's about to hit a jump.
Yum.
He's switching onto a four-wheeler.
No, I'm not.
What, Natalie?
I'm going to be playing Moto World. If you ever heard of that game, it's a really fun game.
Yeah.
Just kidding. I meant MX World, baby. Okay. Am I recording? Yeah. I have my volume all the way down so I don't get copyrighted. Yeah. I just like playing these videos with you. I'm gonna end the video now. Bye!